potato with chili and coriander leaves. One of the specialty here in India. I want to learn this one because my boss like Indian food. I want to learn. Paratha. Pudding. This looks like ghee. There's ghee. The poker is very pretty. That's why the food result also is tasty.
Oh,
See?
so come in India and enjoy Indian food at home, and it's fresh. And my bestie will try
I
it
try
all.
my best how to make that.
Yeah, because we shouldn't. It's not healthy frozen food always.
Oh,
We make fresh food every day. Morning till night, 3 times we prepare.
so every day you go to the supermarket to buy a lot of potato.
No, we go to market twice a week
Oh,
to
okay.
buy the veggies. Not very far, the market is very near. And we buy every day fresh veggies. So ready. Please take this.
You're so nice, bestie. This is my this is your legacy that I want to follow. Indian.
Like that, we are filling this potato,
Mm.
but we can fill cauliflower,
Also,
paneer,
mm.
paneer.
But need to blend. No.
Yeah, we can fill beetroot. We can fill carrot.
Oh, carrot. So
Yeah.
any
Anything
type.
we can
any-
do.
Mm-mm. Not only potato,
No, no, no.
different. Yay. I have rolling pin but still new. I didn't try to use it. Still new. I can sell it because it never used.
It's never used.
Paratha. I will make this one when I come back. I will show you what flour you use, Nesty. I will make my boss. Oh my God, he will love. Maybe he will increase my salary if I know how to make paratha. He always like that. I will give you. Very fresh. No need to buy. Because we always buy the frozen.
Don't buy frozen. You need Mara, try it at place. It's very simple. It's healthy.
But I don't know how to make the dough. The dough is only estimated. The water. This one.
Yeah. If you will.
Parata. Pudding. This looks like ghee. There's ghee. So here's my food now, ready to eat. The healthy food pa. Yeah, this is the blended coriander leaves and the green chili and the yogurt. So that's the breakfast. Ready to rumble. So, ayan. This is the breakfast. Very yummy. And fresh. Come, bestie, let's eat. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
My pleasure. I'm making for you.
Cannot forget my whole life.
You're on live?
I cannot forget my whole life this when I'm with you. Making the fresh food. Very yummy, guys. I will try this one in KL. Actually, very simple. Thank you so much for watching. This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.